This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. Discover the charm of village living in this delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located in the heart of Bemus Point. With an inviting open floor plan, this residence offers a seamless flow from room to room, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Step outside to a spacious backyard, where you'll find a deck ideal for relaxing, hosting gatherings, or enjoying the serene surroundings. Situated on a generous lot, this home provides ample outdoor space to enjoy. Conveniently located, you're just a short walk from local shops, restaurants, and all the amenities the village has to offer. Additionally, you'll have lake access through nearby Oriental Park, making it easy to enjoy the beauty and recreation of the lake. Whether you're seeking a year-round residence or a vacation retreat, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and quaint village charm. Don't miss the opportunity to make this Bemus Point gem your own. For more information,